Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to wash, maintain, and store this beautiful wig I got from Klaiyi Hair, but it works for any wig, so if you want to see how I do it, keep watching. Okay, so I just took this wig off from Klaiyi Hair and I'm showing you all of the glue and dirt and all of that. Excuse that hole in the lace, I accidentally did that. But I'm just showing you all the dirt, and the products I'm going to be using to get rid of it is alcohol, cotton balls, a detangling comb, some shampoo, and then some conditioner. And this is the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny shampoo and conditioner. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the glue off of the lace. So I'm just going to take my alcohol. It really doesn't matter what percent, just make sure it's like, I don't know, 50% or above. I don't know, it just needs to be alcohol, but the higher percentage, the better it will remove the glue. I don't have much glue on the lace because I did use the ball cap method, so there's not really that much glue on here, but there is quite a bit, if you know what I mean. So right now I'm just getting that off with the alcohol. You just want to scrub pretty gently because lace is kind of sensitive, so you could make more holes or rips in the lace if you're too rough. And as you can see, I have a big hole on my part on this wig because I have been rough with it. So So I'm now turning the water on warm. This water is really hot, that's why I turned the cold one on too. But as you can see, all of the glue is gone off the lace, so now it's time to actually wash the hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny shampoo after I thoroughly rinse the hair and get it all wet. And I'm just using a generous amount to use throughout the entire wig. You don't need that much. A little goes a long way, but you do want enough to get it completely clean. So I'm now just rinsing out all of the shampoo from the wig before I go in with the conditioner. So once you finish rinsing out the shampoo, you're going to go in with your Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Conditioner. You don't necessarily have to use this shampoo and conditioner. This is just the one that I use. And then I'm going to detangle it with my detangling comb. And I'm going to make sure that it is really detangled so I don't have to do this after I finish washing. Once you finish detangling it with the conditioner, you're going to rinse that out, but try not to ball up the hair because it'll like get it back tangled. So just be very, very mindful to not do that when you're rinsing out the conditioner. So I'm going to put my wig on this wig stand, and I'm just going to towel dry it for a few minutes before I actually let it air dry for a while. But I'm just towel drying it, trying to get the bulk of the moisture out of the hair. I'm also combing it one more time, making sure there's no tangles in it at all as it dries, because it's easier to get out tangles when it's wet versus when it's dry. So I'm just making sure it's all nicely combed out before I let it air dry. So this is how it looks after I let it air dry for about 3 or 4 hours. I just combed through it once more, and this is how it looks. You can also use the towel to get any other moisture out, and if you're in a rush, you can use a blow dryer to blow dry it. But this is straight hair from Klaiyi Hair, so this is how it turned out. If you guys want to see the review video I did on it, the link will be in the description box below. At first I was saying there's a little wave, but I don't really see that big of a wave, so just check out what I said on the review video to see how I feel about this hair. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the box, and this is why I always keep the contents that came inside of the box, because I'm going to use them all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this net, and there's a ball of paper that came with the wig. I'm going to put that inside of the wig, and then I'm going to put the hair into the net, and I'm going to put the net in the plastic bag, put the plastic bag back into the box to preserve it. So that's going to wrap up this video. This is how I wash, maintain, and store my wigs after I'm done wearing them. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell to turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.